Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why China built the Great Wall. For centuries, various Chinese dynasties faced constant threats from nomadic tribes to their north. These groups often raided settlements, stealing resources and disrupting peace. The Great Wall was constructed as a massive defensive barrier to protect the empire's borders, secure its people, and safeguard valuable agricultural lands from these persistent incursions. It was a monumental undertaking. The northern nomadic tribes, such as the formidable Xiongnu, were a major concern for Chinese rulers. Their swift cavalry raids were difficult to counter effectively. The Great Wall aimed to slow down these attacks, giving imperial forces time to mobilize and respond. It also served as a fortified highway, allowing for rapid communication and the efficient movement of soldiers and supplies across vast distances to defend vulnerable points. The Great Wall wasn't built all at once. It evolved over many centuries. Initial sections were constructed by various states before the unification of China. The Qin dynasty connected and extended these early walls, creating a more unified defense. Later dynasties, especially the Ming, undertook massive construction projects, building the impressive stone and brick sections we recognize today, often reaching heights of 25 feet or more. The Great Wall stands as an incredible feat of ancient engineering, stretching for thousands of miles across diverse terrain. While its military effectiveness varied over time, its symbolic power as a protector of the realm remained immense. Today, it's a powerful symbol of China's enduring history and cultural heritage, attracting millions of visitors. If you're looking for ways to make your daily life easier, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.